is going on, everybody? So remember last week when I said we were going to see how much power the Supra made off the RSM? Well, cross your fingers, because we found the G meter.
It won't work. Never does.
So Randall got a G meter to go along with the RSM to measure the horsepower. So we're going to test that out today, see how much power this puppy's making.
150.
I say 250, like I did before. Do you really think 150?
Yeah, slow.
No, you don't. You're just saying that.
I could beat a
really
base model V6 Mustang, and that's about it.
And a 03 Mach 1. So yeah, today we're gonna drive the Supra and see how much power it makes. Do some more runs maybe, because I just did a 60 to 100 pull in the Conquest in our last video. So I'm curious to see what the time is for that and this, because in the Conquest it was like a year. But anyway, so yeah, we're gonna do that today. Should be interesting. All right, here we go. So the G meter is pretty easy to install. It just plugs into the back or underneath the RSM, and it has to have a flat mounting surface. So drop a comment below on your horsepower guesstimation. Actually, it'd be what, kilowatts? No, PS. So we'll have to do the conversion. Ps. If it even works.
It won't. Never does.
Oh, it works.
We've got 10 horsepower.
Oh, it went up 15. I saw it.
Woo, baby.
Ooh, 50, 59. So PS is British horsepower.
Okay.
And it's about 3.5 horsepower off from American horsepower.
Okay.
So I typed in 250 PS to horsepower.
Yeah.
It's 246.5. the Supra went 60 to 100 in 10.8 seconds, but it must be because I'm in the passenger seat.
It is.
Versus driving. 10.8 versus 8.7, and he said we hit 311 PS. So that's 306 horsepower.
Not bad.
So let's
Not good, but
put that into the quarter mile calculator. 307. Calculate. That is a 13.3 quarter mile. So I had a slower 0 to 60 than you. Based on the TRC app, I had a slower 0 to 60, but faster 60 to 100.
yeah. And that, yes, theory is turbo size.
I have more pull up top.
Yep. So where the CT26 is, I mean, it's a decent size P3. It just falls on its face up high.
I think Randall's trying to turn up the boost a little bit. Because we're only hitting about 13. And the limit on the CT26 is about 15 pounds. So we'll see what happens.
Jeez. Good morning. Wow.
Less.
Yeah. How's that work?
Road's a little dusty. Oh, there it goes. What's that? 13.
Yep. Try turning a little more, but
Just crank it. You got a new turbo on the way. You got 300 horses, huh?
I'm just.
What do you think it was?
I
gonna be
expected more from you, Marla.
It's a stock 7M with
I wanted
a couple
315.
bolt-ons.
315.
Maybe if you can get some more boost out of it.
I think that's it. I think.
That's all the CT's got is 13 pounds.
But it is a factory intercooler.
Yeah.
It is very tired.
It's actually got chips out of the wheel, right?
Yeah, the compressor's kind of chewed up. There's a little bit of shaft play, but normal amount. It's not like I put a blown turbo on there. It just, yeah. Poor little CT could use some help. Exciting news for S&R Motoring. We have a turbo sponsorship through Max Speeding Rods. And as of now, we only have one turbo to test, but
Yeah.
hopefully two in the near future. I have, or I should say, I'm getting a T70 through them to compare to the factory CT26 and the eBay GT45. the turbo should be here soon, so at least the visual comparison. I don't know if that'll be a video in itself or if we'll just tack it on to another one. Good for us.
Yeah, excited.
The channel is
Coming together.
doing stuff.
We really appreciate Max Speeding Rods hooking it up. Like, huge shout out to them. If you need anything, go check them out. They got more than just turbos. They got suspension stuff. They got pretty much anything. All right, that's gonna wrap it up for this one. Pretty successful day.
311.
PS. So what was that? 307 horsepower
Yes, sir.
on a tired old CT26.
Proud of it. I'm proud of you, CT.
Yeah. I what did I say? I upped my ante to 270. Originally I said 250, then I upped it to 270. So
I really thought it'd be 150.
yeah, I bet you did. Yeah, if you like this video, consider subscribing. Hit the like button. Leave us a comment.
Podcast out.
Yep.
If you like podcasts.
Yeah. I don't know if any of that stuff helps us, but it's cool to do. Makes us feel warm and fuzzy inside when you leave us good words and you hit that like button. But yeah.
Got a shout out to give.
Oh yeah, shout out time to TorontoSupraMan. If you have not checked out his channel, go ahead and do that. I'll put a link in the description so you have the ease of access. Oh, another one. Pawpaw's Speed Shop. They as well have a Conquest, but they're smart and they're swapping in an LS. So go check them out as well. I'll put a link in the description like I usually do. But yeah, that's gonna wrap it up. Pretty successful day. Thanks again to Max Speeding Rods, and yeah, we'll see you next time.
Bye, folks.
See you.